Hi everyone, welcome back to Art Is. If you're new here, this channel is all about exploring the beauty of geometric art. We create intricate designs, share tips and tricks, and offer step-by-step tutorials like this one. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, there's something here for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's start by marking the center of our paper. This point will serve as the reference for all the other steps. Next, draw a small line exactly 9.9 centimeters above the center. Label this point T for top. Then, draw another small line 9.9 centimeters below the center and label it B. Now, using a pencil, draw a circle with a diameter of 19.8 centimeters. To divide this circle into 3 equal parts, keep the compass size the same. Use point B to mark a point to the left L and a point to the right R. Next, take your technical pen and connect points T, L, and R to form a triangle. This triangle will be the base of our geometric pattern. Now adjust your compass to match the length of side RL. Using this new compass size, draw an arc from point L to point T, keeping R as the center point. Repeat this process to draw arcs from L to R and from T to R. Once you have your arcs, mark points along these arcs at every centimeter using your pencil and compass. These marks will guide us in the next steps. One of the key aspects of geometric art is precision. Every line, curve, and angle needs to be just right to achieve that satisfying symmetry. It might seem challenging at first, but with practice, you'll find that your accuracy improves. A good tip is to always take your time with measurements and use tools that you're comfortable with. Patience and practice are essential in mastering this art form while I'm filling in this design. Now, we will start drawing the mesh. Begin by drawing a line from the first mark on the arc near T, which we will call T1, to the first mark on the arc near L or L1. Continue this process, moving to the next points and drawing lines between them. This will create a detailed mesh pattern within our initial circle. After completing all the connections, carefully erase all the marked points and arcs, leaving only the mesh lines. Finally, it's time to add color to our design. Start at the top and begin coloring between the lines. One of the best parts of running this channel is hearing from you all. I love reading your comments and seeing your versions of the designs we create together. If you have any questions, suggestions, or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to drop a comment below.